pictures.
Okay.
And this is a lava. This is called a volcano.
Okay.
And I see a monkey.
And you see a monkey?
Yes.
Let me see the monkey.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
And this is a duck.
There's a duck, okay.
And this giraffe with his tall neck.
Okay.
And she have hair. And the last one we have is a panda.
Okay. Good job, guys.
And this is the yellow sky. And these are the beautiful planted flowers.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay. Can you flip?
So we have blue, yellow, teal, orange. So we have these colors
Okay.
right here. And I'm gonna show you the
So what are the colors?
blue, yellow, teal, orange.
Good job. So what are you going to do today?
So we are gonna play
Okay. And what is this?
a jumper. And look,
What is this?
you have a tongue. There.
That's a mouth, right?
Yeah, that's a mouth.
It looks like a mouth.
And you have a mustache, a funny mustache, and the hair and the eyebrows.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now it's time to open the Play-Doh. You're going to open the Play-Doh and you're going to make some amazing things, some amazing stuff, right?
Yeah, and we
Okay.
have, sorry, the kids, I bumped you. Sorry.
What do you have?
We have some mold. We have a bear, this mold, and we have a fruit mold.
Okay.
This is a pear, and this is a tomato. This is a pineapple, a strawberry, and a banana.
Good job. Okay, so what else do you have?
And I have a toothbrush for brushing his teeth.
Which teeth? His teeth?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to brush his teeth with that toothbrush?
Yeah, so we're gonna make teeth.
So you chose the orange and you chose the blue. Okay, so now let's go. Can you open it? Need help?
Nope.
You good?
Yes.
Okay, flip it. Whoa.
So this is an orange Play-Doh.
Okay, time to mold it.
Now I need.
Okay, so this is the roller. Okay, we are rolling the orange Play-Doh. And you are rolling the blue. Okay, she's rolling it. Roll it, girl. Roll it, girl.
Good day. Good day. Good day. Good day. Thank you, guys.
Roll it, girl. Roll it, girl. Roll it.
You see if it's long.
Okay, you want it to be long?
Yep. Long like a eagle's. Like
Okay.
a eagle's.
Okay. Know your thing, girl. Good job. Good job, man.
Good day. Good day.
Good job.
Whoopsie. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna pass it to my brother.
Okay, he's rolling it. Roll it, boy. Good job.
Wanna make it longer.
You want it to be longer? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, show us how you're going to use that.
So I'm gonna see it has a circle belly. And now all I have to do is just press it hard.
Good job. So just press it hard. Good job.
Mommy, and then
Good job, baby. Whoa. Whoa.
Now all I have to do is just press it with my thumb. And voila.
Wow, that is beautiful.
You're ready to go.
Ready to go. Let me take a look at that. Wow, this is beautiful. So all she did was to press this on the Play-Doh and voila. Wow, that's beautiful. So you're going to put this aside and you're going to use another mold. Which mold do you want to use? Okay.
Now I'm making a long potato. I'm doing a teddy bear. Wow!
Good job. Good job.
Wow! Wow!
Good job. Wow, that is beautiful. Let me see. Whoa, look at this. This is beautiful. Wow, this is pretty. So we have the blue and you have the orange. Let's put it here.
It's like a pattern. Blue, orange, blue, orange.
Wow, look at that. Good job, guys. So we have the blue and we have the orange. Okay.
I need to roll this.
Need to roll that first.
Yes.
Okay.
Go, Mom.
Now that the Play-Doh is there, you're going to close it. Press it hard. Press it. Press it. Good job. Press it.
Whoa.
Good job.
Whoa.
Okay, now let's open it. Open.
Wow.
Whoa.
Rich, you made a good mold.
Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, let's take it out.
Wow, Tata.
Let's take it out. Look at those beautiful teeth.
Hmm?
Now press it hard. Press it hard. Okay. Now open. Let's see what you have.
Whoa.
Wow, that's beautiful. Whoa, that's beautiful. Now take it out. Wow, let me see. Wow, this is beautiful Play-Doh. Beautiful teeth. Wow, look at the back. Whoa, look at the back. So beautiful. Wow. What are you doing?
Like that.
Okay, put it there. What's that?
That's
How is that called?
a kilo mayo.
Okay. Okay, so what are you doing now?
I'm having blue and orange mixed up.
Okay, you're mixing blue and orange. Okay, and what do you want to do with that?
I want to make teeth of this.
Okay.
So I'm gonna wait for my turn, put this aside, and guys, guess what?
What?
I am gonna make earth.
Okay.
So I need some blue for the water,
Okay.
and then green,
Okay, what's that?
earth. So this is a planet of earth.
Okay.
So I'm gonna mix it up.
Okay, that's good.
Let me add a little bit of more. Look at my earth.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is pretty.
Now all I have to do is just roll it to
Okay.
make it beautiful.
Good job, girl.
Na, na, na,
Wow, that's
na.
beautiful. Let me see. Wow, I love that color, green and blue. Such a beautiful color. Good job, girl.
Thank you so much.
Very beautiful color.
Mommy,
Yes. Wow, look at this. Now you have to close it. Close it. Wow, look at this. Is so beautiful.
And now
These are teeth.
everything.
So beautiful.
And yellow.
So what are you doing now?
I'm making a brand new earth. Now I'm gonna put this, and this. Now mix all up. Mix all up. It looks like I'm making a slime. I should do my work with my blue dot. with my brother.
Okay, so what is this for?
I'm brushing teeth.
Okay, what is this?
Then I think this is a glass. Na, na, na. Na, na.
Okay.
Na.
Sure. Okay, so what are you doing?
Tea.
Okay,
Now I have to do this.
press it. Good job. Whoa. Good job. Good job. Can you open it now?
No.
Whoa. Okay, take it out. Let's see.
Ew. These are
Whoa.
the best teeth ever
I know,
I
right?
made.
Wow, this is beautiful. Let me see the other one. This is pretty. Oh. So now she's doing the eyes.
Then
Good job. That's beautiful.
now I have to do a tiny little smile.
Smiley face.
Mhm.
Wow.
So my baby has.
Whoa.
What happened to his mouth?
You tell us what happened to his mouth.
Dead.
Good job.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoy our video. Please share, subscribe, and the bell button below. For more videos,